Welcome back to Earth's Giants of Fire. In our last episode, we looked at massive volcanic mountains like Mount Fuji. But today, we are traveling to Wyoming, USA, to visit Yellowstone National Park, a place famous for its beautiful forests, wild bison, and peaceful valleys. For generations, hundreds of millions of people, including top geologists, walked across this park and thought it was just a beautiful, regular mountain valley. Nobody had any idea that they were actually walking directly inside the mouth of the biggest volcanic monster on the planet. How is it possible that everyone missed it? Well, when a regular volcano forms, it builds a giant, easily visible mountain peak. But a supervolcano is completely different. In the 1960s, NASA started taking the very first high-resolution satellite photographs of Earth from outer space. When scientists looked at the photos of Yellowstone, their jaws literally dropped. From orbit, they suddenly saw a colossal, continuous ring outline. The volcano was so staggeringly huge that when you stand on the ground, you can't see it. It's simply too big for the human eye to process. NASA discovered that the entire park is actually a giant collapsed volcanic crater called a caldera, measuring an unbelievable 45 miles wide. You could fit the entire city of Tokyo or New York inside the mouth of this hidden giant. Once NASA revealed that the park was a sleeping monster, scientists started digging into its dark history, and that brought the second mind-blowing realization. This hidden giant didn't just sleep. It had already woken up and exploded 3 massive times in the past. The biggest explosion happened 2.1 million years ago, and the most recent one was 640,000 years ago. To understand its terrifying power, Yellowstone's last eruption was 1,000 times bigger than the famous eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980. It blasted a colossal column of toxic black ash and sulfur straight into the upper atmosphere. Strong winds carried this glass-like ash across thousands of miles, completely burying more than half of the North American continent under feet of burning dust. Imagine a prehistoric world where ancient rhinos, camels, and giant mammoths roamed the plains. Suddenly, the sky turned pitch black for weeks. The sun completely vanished. A sudden, freezing volcanic winter rolled over the continent. The temperatures plummeted, and the grass and trees the animals needed to survive were coated in sharp, toxic volcanic ash. This single volcano completely transformed the entire climate and ecosystem of our planet forever. Today, the heat from that ancient cataclysm is still trapped deep underground, which is exactly what boils the water for the park's famous geysers and colorful hot springs. Because of this mind-blowing history, scientists from the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory track this giant every single second. They use space satellites, GPS, and super-sensitive ground monitors to listen to its heartbeat. But don't worry, supervolcanoes operate on a massive timeline. Right now, the giant is perfectly safe, calm, and taking a peaceful nap that will likely last for thousands of years. Thank you for exploring Earth's incredible fiery history with us. If you loved these mind-blowing secrets, smash that subscribe button right now, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it with your family. What spectacular mystery should the Smart Family Corporation explore next? Tell us in the comments, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.